Good morning to all. I am Subramanian, working as assistant professor in automobile department. In this session, we are going to see about on the subject of road safety traffic rules, the topic of safety in road design in the vehicle design factors. So, vehicle to be designed in such a way that you must have a road safety driving itself. So, first the vehicle you can see vehicle design is very crucial and ensuring safety performance also. So the vehicle, in front of the vehicle there is an engine will be there. Before that there will be a battery and there will be a transmission system, and transmission system it will be providing this adobe also. They will be providing axle also, and also from the transmission system will be passed to the computer, and also identifier and exhaust pipe will be there. Also the rear axle and shock absorber also controlled, whereas the idle fuel tank will be provided in the rear end of the vehicle itself. This is a small modification, small designing of the vehicle itself. This is overall designing of the vehicle itself. So these factors will be having well performed under the various driving conditions also. And we will see in this chapter how to interact with the road users. All this how to interact with the road users also. And you can see what is the importance of the vehicle safety means it is protecting the human lives and also reducing fatalities. Injury prevention has been done there, and also economic impact mitigation, also lower insurance cost, and legal and ethical responsibility. Public health will be considered, and sustainability, consumer confidence finally comes on the technological advancements. And these are the sensors, where are the many sensors which will be provided on the vehicle itself, such that it will be giving the alarms to the driver as well as the passengers also. And this is the structure, this is a framework of the car. Now we are seeing about the cars. So the framework of the car, there is whenever the car has been any accident, there will be the crumble zones. The front and back is a crumble zone, whereas the safety zone is intermediate, such that where the passengers and the driver will be located there. So crumble zones areas will be the vehicle designed to absorb the dissipated energy during the collisions also, and reduce the impact on the occupants, which is on the safety zone itself. So reinforced passenger compartments, this is a safety zone, strengthen areas around the passenger cabin to protect the occupants in the event of a crash itself. And also there is a side impact also, not only front and back, side impact protection also will be provided, such that all these on the axles created on the side also will be protect the passengers inside the car itself. Also we can see now we can, apart from the framework, we can say safety features of the airbags also. So airbags will be provided in places wherever the passengers and drivers have been seated there, and this airbags will be blown such that whenever accident creates there. And also there is an anti-locking braking system also, which prevents the wheel lockup during the hard braking also, and help in maintaining of the steering control. And also there is one more thing also, as the electronic stability control also, which prevents the skidding of the loss of the control by automatically applying the brakes to the individual wheels. You can see the driver advanced system is ADAS. So ADAS is a driver, gives advantage which will be informing to the drivers whether the vehicle which is following, the vehicle is overspeeding, it will be informing the vehicle in front of the vehicle is going there, so that you must slow the speed such that this red marks will be darker nearer and will be lighter near the previous vehicle itself. And also this will be informing, here also you can see informing you are in the safer side or not while traveling. And in this we can see about the visibility and lighting also. So whichever the car is running, the headlight must be having a focus area, so including some LED bulbs also, so that it can be able to viewable by the other person who are coming in front of us. And also there is a day running light also will be provided on the headlights. And rear view cameras also and parking sensors will be assisting the drivers. Suspension system will be giving the belt design system will be ensures that the vehicle will be stability and comfort for the passengers who are driving inside the vehicle. So suspension system which will be having the springs on the axle itself, it will provide the shock absorbers which will be passed to the passengers, or also tire also quality and monitoring will be there. Now you see of the build quality materials also, it must be durability and also was impact resistant materials also there. So it must be high strength materials in critical areas itself. Finally, coming to the safety ratings and testing also. So we provide the crash safety also. Maybe provide the vehicle to be hit on the other parts such that how it can able to provide the able to have the risks can be overcome by having a safety of the drivers itself. And with this, we come to the end of this session on the safety of driver safety itself. So we will see in the next session. Thank you.